It's owned by Michael and Ray Lewis. Sponsored by Modesto Engine Renew Productions. Mr. Carroll's looking around saying, I don't know, things aren't acting right. It's acting funny. It's not moving. And if he's using his head, he'll back up and get out of those holes he just dug. I also want to thank L&L Productions and Ron Wilson Construction, sponsors behind the Junkyard Dogs. He'll jump out of those holes, shouldn't be a problem. Front wheels are locked in. Okay, Jack. Got a little froggy out there in that first one.
Are these videos going to be going on YouTube? Not YouTube, Facebook?
Okay, they're getting the sled brought back to the start line. Tight chain on the sled. Our start official. Check, make sure things are good. Look down the track. Green flag from James. Good, strong run for Jack Carroll, the Junkyard Dog. A worker's machine. Got it down to 196 feet. 196, right up to where the orange cone was at. I don't even think they hardly had to